Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Now everybody let's shout happy birthday, Chad. In 3, 2, 1. And now it's time to blow a candle na po. Eh, palakpakan po natin ang ating birthday song. Ngayon naman po, maririnig natin ang birthday message ni Mommy and Daddy for Chad. Chad. Happy birthday, bebe. Basta lagi mong tatandaan natin ito lang kami ni Dada. Lahat ng gusto mo, susupport ka namin. Basta ayusin yung pag-aaral mo para maabot mo yung pangarap. Love you.
Yeah, baby, ano mo naman, si Papa at si Dad support lang sa'yo. Request lang namin, be a good boy kahit pagkanda mo. Yun na, tsaka good health para sa'yo. Love you.
Eh, palakpakan po natin si Mommy and Daddy.